Okay, if you're a Power BI user, don't scroll, stop. Now I'm going to show you a trick where most of us have been having challenges, that when the source file changes in terms of columns, maybe they delete the columns or they add new columns, your report automatically breaks because it is detecting more or less the columns you loaded it with in the queries. How we are going to do this, stay around, we go through. So first of all, we are going to load our CSV. So click here, load the CSV, browse for it. Here is mine. So the moment I load that and next, then I should be getting an option to load it, but no, I'll not load it. I'll just go and transform data. So the moment you transform data, this is the display you get. So putting the focus is, we have 21 columns, and the last column is lineage key. We are going to look at that later. Now, let's open our file. This is our file with the 21 columns. I'm going to add here 3 more files. I'll call them test1, then drag this to the right, test 1, 2, 3. Maybe I can put some dummy data here to make sure that it is lively. So I'm going to save this. We go back to our BI file. So when we go to our BI file, if we do refresh preview, nothing is picking. You get? Nothing is picking. Why is it that you can't pick the new files that have come through? This is what I'm going to show you. Let's go ahead maybe and first delete one. So even if I delete one and I save, still when we refresh preview here, we are supposed to see the number of columns changing to 23. Still we are looking at 21. Why? It's because when you go to your advanced editor, how do you get the advanced editor? When you're in the Power BI Power BI editor, under home, look for advanced editor. That's where we find the full M code. So when you come to this M code, you realize here that we have our columns fixed to 21. It means that if I changed this to 22 and 22 and I did done, it will automatically pick the 22nd column. That's what it means. Will you be doing like this every time you want to adjust? No. Leave it dynamic. Whether the team changes, add or subtract, you always have your data refresh with ease. How do we do this? Which means I'll go ahead in advanced editor, go to the whole of this identity, this in the M code, delete it with its comma, then don't tamper with the others, go ahead and done. Then here it even automatically refreshes that now it picks test 1 and 2. That if I go back to that file and even add more columns, let's say up to test 5, save this, then open the BI file, then I refresh preview here like this, I should be getting the additions automatically. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is already added this the other side. Why are you getting this? Because it is now dynamic. It is no longer fixed. You no longer have a fixed here of columns. Always remember to remove that and you'll be good to go. It means that even though they change that file wherever source it is, so long as the column they remove or the column they add is not part of my applied steps here, I will not always get anything breaking in my report. Otherwise, meet you in the next video. Subscribe, leave us a comment and like if this was helpful. Bye.